Good morning, my dear students. I will start from class maths. You already know the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. Okay. First number is the smallest number. Which one is the smallest number? 1 is the smallest number. Okay. And 7 is the biggest number from here. Okay. Start from 1. That means 1 is the smallest number. If the number if the number standing according to the smallest to biggest, that is called ascending. If it is like this, that means you should go top arm button to the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You will go the next number. That means after number and the bigger number. That means the first number is the smallest number and next bigger, then biggest. This one is called the ascending order. That's why I should write here. Draw the line in here and I will tell you that this one the ascending order. That means when you should go in up, that is called the ascending order. On that time, you should start from the smallest number to biggest number. That is called ascending. Clear? Suppose it is 7, 6, 9, 20 and that is 1. If we should write here the ascending order, then means we should write here in the smallest number at first. Which one is the smallest? 1. Start from 1. That means 1 is the smallest number. We should write here at first 1. After that, find out the numbers which are after 1. That is 6. After 1, that means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 7. That's why we should write here 6. Then 7. Then 9. At last 20, because 20 is the biggest number. That is called the ascending order. Okay, it is called ascending order. When it is ascending order, then you should arrange the number in their smallest to biggest. If it is biggest to smallest, that means you should go top to bottom. Top to bottom, it is called the descending order. That means the number will be decreased, number will be reduced when you should go in the down, goes down, biggest to smallest. Suppose it is 2, 9, 7, 5, 3. At first we should write here the biggest number. On that ascending order, we should write here the smallest number. Start from smallest number to biggest number. And when we should arrange the number in descending order, on that time we should write here at first the biggest number. Which one is the biggest? 9 is the biggest number from here. So we should write here 9. After that, 9 goes in back. 8. That means back count. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is called the descending order. Number will be decreased or reduced. Before 9, before numbers. That means you should arrange the numbers in before. 7, 5, 3, and at last 2. That is called the descending order. That means you should arrange the numbers in biggest to smallest. Okay? Clear it is? I will tell it again. If we should arrange the numbers in smallest to biggest, that is called ascending. Ascending, that means you should arrange the number smallest to biggest. When it is descending number, that means number will be decreased or reduced. That means it will go back to the number, or you should arrange the number in biggest to smallest, or you should arrange the number in before number. 9 before 7. 5 is before 7. 3 is before 5, 2 is before 3. And this one called the after number. After number, you should go after number when it is ascending order. Okay. So on that time, class assignment 1, right over here, 2J. Which one is the, already one is done for you, one has done for you, one has been done for you also. 10, 14, 12, 18. Write the following numbers in ascending order. That means smallest to biggest. Yes, smallest number you should write here first. Smallest. Then at first find out the smallest number. 10, then 12, 14, 18. 10, 12, 14, 18. So you should write here like this. At first you should find out the smallest number from these 4 numbers. 18 is the smallest. After that 19. After that 28. After that 32. That means at first you should know which number, after number, before number. After that you should go the descending order. Descending order, that means biggest to smallest. You should write here at first biggest number. Biggest here. So which one is the biggest? 29 you should write here. After the 25, 21, last 12. Okay. Write the numbers in ascending order. That means you should write the number or arrange the number from their smallest to biggest. Which one is the smallest? You should write first. After that you should do the biggest number. And descending order, that means you should write here at first 9. Descending order, that means biggest to smallest. At first you should write here biggest number 18, then 15, then 14, then 12, then at last 9. So follow, you should look at the number very carefully. After that you should write here by their ascending or descending order. And what is ordinal number? First, that means two, that means second right over here, 20. Second, ND is the last one, that means should write first ST, so we should write here ST. Third, that means 3, after that RD. So we should write here short form of third, this one called the ordinal number. Ordinal number. This one called the cardinal number. Cardinal numbers. Ordinal numbers. 4. F-O-U-R-T-H, 4. And with T what? TH, that means we should write here 4TH. Okay. If it is fifth, that's by FTH. Fifth. Sixth also. The same. 7, 8, 9 also the same. TH. Okay. If it is 9, also 9. 10. If it starts again 11, 11. That means 11 7. Okay, do you understand? Right over here. So you should memorize the numbers, ordinal number. Okay. After that, this one your homework. Who is the first position? Who is at the first position from this line? Mathematics. What is the position of the book? Maths. Books in the bookshelf from top to the bottom. You should arrange the numbers from top to the bottom. Okay, book's name and book's position. After that, more objects. Where is the more object? Where is the count? At first count the number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. That means 18. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. 18 is in here, 14 is in here. Where is the more object? This one is the more object. That's why you should circle them. This one is more object. Here is 18 balls. There is 14 balls. 18 balls. And circle the numbers. Okay. Okay. Thank you, my dear students. Today I finished this class up to page number 49. Up to the next day, or next day I will start addition up to 20. Okay, thank you.